And the piggies are free again. It's the jailbait piggies. The jailbait piggies. You guys better get to your mama. Come on now. What are you doing? You are too young for that. No. Hi, piggies. Come on, piggies. You guys got to go to mama. Come on, piggies. Oh. This side, no. No, you go to mama. This way, no. Get him to mama. This way, no. On me. This way. This side. No. This side. No. You need to listen. On me. Come. Good girl. Get him this way. Go on, piggies. Go home, piggies. Let go, piggies. No, not that way. Not that way. You need to go up to mama. You're not going to daddy. Daddy might eat you. Come on. I'm bringing them, mama. They're coming. She's right here. Come on, piggies. I mean, I could scare them back up there and be done with this in 2 seconds, but why do all that? Piglet farming for beginners. So I'm a rookie, huh? Piglets are supposed to be on the other side of the fence. What are you doing, girl? We got to get you over with Carl. I say it every video, but I don't have you over there yet. It's warming up a bit. Might get you over there, huh? Yeah, we've gotten a lot of texts and calls on these piglets, actually. Got a call from a lady yesterday, just about 30 minutes from me, saying she wants to buy all these. So, all but the 2 girls. I'm keeping the girls. There's 8 boys, 2 girls. Come on, piggies. You got to go back the other way. Come on. Come on. This side, Nanette. On me. Come on, piggies. Go to your mama. I'm doing all this, and as soon as I walk away, they're going to come back. Come on, piggies. Go to your mama. She's looking for you. She's knocked both of her water containers over. Y'all getting water? Y'all see the water? That's the chicky water. That's the chicky water. It's frozen. Frozen chicky water. Yeah, I made a short earlier. The fox is getting a hold of our chickens. Wintertime, they're out foraging. Not as much for them to eat, so what do? They come to the closest farm and get the best meat in town. I let my chickens free range, like it's true free range. They go to the neighbors, they go in the street, they go everywhere. I'm still trying to get electric line around the main part of the property. Eat the fighting pig. Alright, piggies, come on now. You gotta go back to mama. Come on. Come on. Come on, piggy. Let them get some water. They're actually thirsty. see her when her babies came out. Those ones there. Right here. Oh, that's a hot wire. Hazel. She actually pushed through the fence. She didn't care about the fence. She went out with the babies. This mama, she does not like the fence at all. She's been hit by it so many times. And it's her fault. She hits it herself. They smell it and get really close to it. Come on, go up to your mama. Come on. Come on, up to mama. Up to mama, come on. No, not that way. There we go. Not that mama, that's not your mama. Come on, up. No, don't go that way. You're guiding them the wrong way, piggy. No, bring them this way. Come on, piggies. Go up to mama. Come on, up to mama. Come on. No, not to daddy. To mama. Good piggies. Good piggies. Come on, piggy. Come on, piggies. You're almost home. Too bad that squeeze, that electric doesn't work with them. They're going to go around where they don't have to touch it. They're the smart ones. These three come in all the time that same way, and then the other group always comes in from the top because they don't touch there. They learned so great. I got to get the girls some water. No, you guys get inside your cage. I'm going to have to put you in the other fence if you guys don't listen. Inside with mama, come on. Inside with mama, come on. Good girls and boys. You want some sunflower seeds, mama? You want to eat the rest of Papa's sunflower seeds? I just thought I'd record that for you guys. Show you it's not that difficult. Like, I could have had them in here a long time ago, but I just played with them just so I can make a little video. Why not? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everybody had a merry, happy Christ's birthday, and everybody got to love on the family and be with their families and enjoy the time for what it really is meant to be. I know I'm thankful. Family's been through a lot, and we just gotta keep going. It's up to me and Jennifer now. Alright guys, you guys all have a blessed day, and keep smiling, keep happy, God bless, y'all come back now.